To check the ink level, you must have the Epson printer driver installed in your computer. If you haven't the Epson driver, you have to download it from the Epson website. Turn on the printer. Click on Start. Settings. Devices. Printers. Select your Epson printer. Manages. Printer preferences. Click on Ink Levels. Here you can find the ink level and information about the ink cartridges. Another method: open any application, such a Word file, that allows you to print. Click on the File menu tab in the control bar. Click on Print. Be sure the selected printer is the Epson printer. Click on Property. Click on Ink Level. Also, you can click on the utility icon, then click on Epson Status Monitor. Remember that these levels are not accurate. They are only the amount of ink that your printer estimates is inside the cartridge based on your printouts, but there are no sensors inside the cartridge.